Usability and success of a software depend on various factors. However, one of the most important factors is user experience, and in a broader sense, customer experience. In a sense, the experience we create for the user is the key to the success of the software. The question here arises, how can we ensure a good user experience for our users? The most important element here is iterative software improvement based on user feedback. We need to modify the software in a way that fully meets the user's needs. This requires continuous changes in the software. Challenges arising from continuous changes. For example, if we develop software using a high-level programming language like Java or C#, implementing changes would mean alerting classes, functions, file structures, and so on. These continuous changes, along with codes written by different individuals with different styles and handwriting, eventually lead the codebase into an unmaintainable state. In this situation, understanding the code structure becomes difficult for programmers, and they tend to avoid modifying existing code. Instead, they prefer rewriting functions rather than reusing or extending them because rewriting is usually simpler than in understanding and modifying the existing code. Over time, as the software ages, the number of these functions grows parallel to different coding styles. This is where the concept of legacy code emerges due to the difficulty in understanding and maintaining the code, directly impacting the developer experience. The relationship between developer experience and customer experience. Unfortunately, the relationship is often overlooked. Rarely do we see attention paid to having a good idea and a short learning curve when choosing technologies and architecture. Instead, the focus is always on adopting the latest technologies and following trends, oblivious to the fact that developer experience directly affects customer experience. In another realm, it even disrupts the work-life balance of programmers as we grapple with a complex entity called legacy code whose behavior is unpredictable, leading to measurements. Now, the question arises, how can we improve DevX? The answer can be summed up in one word: simplicity. Simplicity at all levels, from the smallest modules to the overall architecture of the software for integrating these modules. Simplicity makes the code more understandable, maintainable, and more extendable. Moreover, simplicity encourages developers to reuse or extend code rather than rewrite it because simple code is easily understandable. Ultimately, simplicity leads to a reduction in development costs, an increase in software development speed, and the sustainability of the code base.